Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This is Sindhu. Today we are going to discuss how to earn money online. This is the first video in the Earn Money Online series. As this is the first video, I am going to discuss from the very basics of earn money online. First, I will discuss what are the benefits and what are the risks involved and what are the genuine websites and what are the ways to earn money online. Let's begin with the advantages. What are the advantages in earning money online? Number 1. Flexibility of time. You can work at any time. You can decide your own time. And this is the first advantage of earning money online. Number 2. You are the boss. You are your boss and you no need to work under anybody. You can decide when you are going to work. You can decide where you have to work. And everything is decided by you. Number 3. You can also follow your passion. Through following your passion, you can make money. If you love photography, you can just click some beautiful pictures or the video clippings and earn money. If your passion is teaching, through that also you can earn money. If you love to play games, you can also make money through that. So, whatever is your passion and simply by following your passion, you will see many ways to earn money online. But there are also some risks involved in earning money online. What are they? Number 1, you may get cheated. If you trust the websites or the people blindly, you may lose your money because many people ask you to deposit some amount before starting the work. If you trust them blindly and invest the money, you may lose that money. So, never ever invest the money. Number 2, you may lose your efforts and work. Sometimes, few people may say that this website is genuine and you may work there for hours and days and months, but you may not earn anything and you will lose all your work. Number 3, waste of time. So, when you don't want to get cheated like this, you have to dive deep into this ocean of earning money online. So, when you dive deeper and deeper, you have to research a lot and lot. You have to Google everything, you have to see many YouTube videos, you have to research, and only then you can find which websites are genuine. To do all this, you will waste lot of time. So what is the solution for this? Just follow my online money earning series. Through this series, I will be giving you all the sources which are genuine for you to make money. I will do all the research instead of you, and I will provide only the genuine information here. And the second benefit is that you can comment your doubts and I will clarify your doubts. So now let's see what are the ways you can make money. Number 1, as I already mentioned, you can earn money through writing articles. Few websites offer you money for writing articles. Few websites also offer you money for writing stories. You can also make money by sharing your opinions, that is, by completing the surveys. When you give your genuine opinion, you can earn money through that way. By performing small tasks, you can earn money. By content creation, you can earn money. By playing games and also by watching videos, you can earn money. So, these are the different sources through which you can make money genuinely. In this series, I will let you know very clearly what are those sources and how to make money in the genuine websites. Today I am going to discuss about surveys. What are the genuine websites that pay you for sharing your opinion through surveys? Number 1, Swagbucks. Swagbucks is the best website to make some money through surveys. You just need to sign up and then follow the procedure and complete all the steps. And then you will get few surveys there. Share your opinion very genuinely and you will get the points for every survey. You can convert these points into cash or also the gift cards. Number 2, Toluna. Toluna is the second website which pays you well for completing the surveys. And this procedure also very simple. Just sign up and complete the procedure and then complete the survey. Number 3, YouGov. YouGov also pays you very well. You can just go to the website and try it once. Number 4, Survey Junkie. This website is also good but sometimes it gets blocked in India, so just check it. If it is not blocked, then just check it and just complete the survey. You can earn money through this website also. Number 5, the best one, Amazon MTurk. Amazon MTurk is the best website because in this website you can earn money many ways. By completing the task, by doing the surveys, by watching the video, you can earn money very easily through this Amazon MTurk. But the only problem here is you have to get approved. After signing up, you have to wait 48 hours for the approval invitation. Once you get that approval invitation, definitely you can make money through this. If you are not approved, comment and let me know so that I will make a video on how to get approved on Amazon MTurk. To know more sources and websites through which you can make money online, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.